What's up, guys? Today we have this flat pressure washer tire and we're gonna fix it. Let's get started. All right, so we have to remove this wheel off completely, so I'm gonna use something to jack it up. And now the wheel is free. And there's a clip. There's a C clip right here. You're gonna wanna pop it off. Okay, that's your clip. Put that aside. Now you have a washer, and that's all that's holding this wheel on. Okay, so put those two things aside, and now let's remove the tire. Get the other side out. Get that valve stem over. Okay. Take the tube out. I've already tried to fix this tube once, so I know that this is just garbage. Here we got a replacement tube. This is from Harbor Freight, and I think I paid $6.99 or $5.99 for it. $6.99, I think. Okay. All right, so we have to get this, feed it back into the tire. Right, that's generally in there for the most part. Remember, your valve stem lines up with that hole. So take the cap off. And that's really the most important part, that you get that valve stem lined up. So I'm gonna do, since it's kind of pointed that way, I'm going to put this side with the valve stem on this side. Put that side in first. I'm gonna try to line it up in the hole. What's often easy to do is put some lubricant around. Put lubricant around this. All right. Do not pierce the new tube, whatever you do. Come on, come through. Okay. No, inside. As long as make sure that tube is in the middle of the wheel. And now, we just kind of have to get the outer part of the wheel over the rim. Alrighty, so I filled the tire back up with air. Now let's put it back on. Your washer and your locking clip. And that's all to it.